In this video, I'm going to show you how to get anonymous question on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. All you know that you have question sticker on your Instagram once you're creating your story, but that questions is not anonymous because recipients always know who asks a question. To make anonymous question on Instagram, you need to do the following. You need to go to your app store, type in the search box NGL, and then download and install this app calls Ngman Anonymous Q&A and then open it. Now there hit get questions, there enter your Instagram username. Now there your personal link was generated and you can copy that link. Just hit copy link. It says that link is copied, and now go back to Instagram and there hit plus icon, select your camera, start creating your story. Now hit sticker icon and there select link sticker, and in that URL field paste the URL that you just copied and hit done. Now that sticker was appeared there, here is the link to anonymous question, and you can add some more text like ask me a question and another text, hit the link and position it something like that. There you can change the text to ask me anonymous question to let people know that all their answers will be anonymous for recipient, it means for you. That's how it works, guys. Now you can continue creating that story as you normally would, so hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.